Dictation start. The goods imported by them were confiscated under section 11 of the act full stop. They were given option to redeem the goods on payment of redemption fine, which was fixed adopting the margin of profit as the basis under section 125 with penalty levied under section 112 of the act full stop. The appeals of importers were partly allowed by the Customs Excise and Gold Control Appellate Tribunal, observing that the facts in each case were similar to those in Miss Stoneman Marble Industries versus Commissioner of Customs, decided on 30th January 2002, and therefore reduced the redemption fine and penalty to 20% and 5% of the CIF value respectively. Full stop. The revenue filed an application under section 130E of the act before the High Court, stating the questions for reference by the tribunal to the High Court. Full stop. The High Court rejected the applications on the ground that no question of law arose from orders of the tribunal. Full stop. Aggrieved revenue filed the appeals. Full stop. On a bare perusal of the provisions of section 130A of the Customs Tariff Act 1975, it is manifest that it is for the party applying for reference to clearly state the question of law which he seeks to be referred to the High Court, and then it is for the High Court to consider whether any such question of law stated in the application for reference before it should be directed to be referred. Full stop. In the instant cases, it is manifest from the format of the questions proposed by the revenue for reference to the High Court that the revenue did not assail the tribunal's finding to the effect that the facts in the instant cases were similar to those in Miss Stoneman Marble Industry. Full stop. It is a trite proposition that unless the correctness of facts on the basis whereof an inference is drawn by the tribunal is put in issue, a question of law does not arise from its order in any way. Full stop. Para. On vesting, the land stands transferred and vested in the state authority, free from all encumbrances, and such status of the property is incapable of being altered by fiction of law, either by the state act or by the central act. Full stop. Both these acts do not contain any provision in terms of the property. Full stop. The language of section 36 of the BDA Act clearly mandates legislation by incorporation, and as per the scheme of the two acts, effective and complete implementation of the state law without any conflict is possible. Full stop. The object of the state law being planned development acquisition does not offend any of the known principles of statutory interpretation. Full stop.